I did not expect this to go back this far. This is so cool. We're gonna have our last day here hanging out, and it has been a really nice trip. Cooper's Rock, really good riding out here too. So I have the motorcycle, Jen's little motorbike, and I've been riding that around a little bit, and we've done so much hiking though that we did 7 miles, and it was like a long 7 miles yesterday, that this little dog can't even move. She will not get up for anything. We walked her another like 2 or 3 miles a day, and she just is done. And this is pretty incredible. So my pump broke, but the bag works as a pump. So you don't even need a fancy pump. That's what I get for buying something at Walmart, the pump for this. I should have just got the pump from Haven Tents. But there's all kinds of pockets. I mean, it's really awesome.
That's cool. Yeah. Okay, Rue. Nighty night. Sleep well.
So I like to take pictures of mushrooms when we're hiking, and here are a few of the ones I've found. These particular mushrooms are Anemomedas. In fact, they're all at different life cycles of the same type of mushroom. So you see here when it is first coming up out of the ground, now it's getting a little bit older, it's maturing more, and now it's at the end of its life cycle here at this end stage. This next mushroom is the cauliflower mushroom. Extremely choice edible, very difficult to find. This is the first time I've ever found it in my entire life. I've been searching for this one for a very long time, and here it was at Cooper's Rock. In fact, we found 2 of them. We found more edible mushrooms. There's chicken of the woods out here. We found so many edible mushrooms, we could have just eaten mushrooms the whole time, and we didn't pick any of them. This next mushroom we found right in the campground. It is a poisonous mushroom, and people will sometimes think it's chicken of the woods and get really sick if they eat this one. So we're getting a little family photo, but the unlevel ground is not cooperating, so we're using the dog's leash to hold the hold the light up. And now it's time to do some riding. So enough of this, and let's get to it. I rode for quite a while, and I found a spot off of the gravel road off the campground that looked like perhaps they were building a new campground, that they were going to do a glamping site or something. There were a couple A-frame cabins up, and they looked really cool. And then from there I went to the other side of the campground, took the gravel road back down that I went the other day, and then found another spot where they were building a road that looked like they were either going to do a housing development or maybe another camping spot. And that was rough. And taking the Svartpilen up there, it did. Every time I ride that bike, I'm surprised how well it does. But that was probably the most difficult terrain I ever have ridden the Svartpilen on. And then I got to the very bottom, and there was a trail cam, and I'm like, oh man, I shouldn't be down here. But there were no signs, no trespassing signs. There's no purple on the trees. So I think it was okay, but I felt bad when I saw the trail cam, and I got out of there as soon as I could. So that was about all the extent of the riding I did those 2 days. It was a blast. Perfect amount of time between the hiking and riding for this trip. Hey, Froggy. Yeah, man, this is awesome. Gotta love West Virginia. Pretty rough, gotta admit. I did not expect this to go back this far. This is so cool. Yep, I did not expect this in 100 million years. Gorgeous. Look at this, it's beautiful. Ooh. The question is which way now? View's better over here. Ooh, it's rough. It's really rough. Ooh, smart filling. This is a little bit much for you, buddy. I hear you got your... Ooh, this is so crazy. The Norden would have some fun on here. That's for dang sure. So far, so good. Tiny tires. Oh boy. Am I gonna get over that? This is the part I'm worried about, not that little rut. Maybe. Yeah, I'll get over it. I'll get over it. No problem. Smart filling for the win. This bike it's no dirt bike. It does stuff I wouldn't expect it to. This is rough. Wow. Oh, I'm in second gear. Hello. You could probably really, on a dirt bike, really have fun. The Norden would be good too, honestly. I gotta watch my fuel, because my fuel is getting low, and I'm actually on the way to go get fuel right now. And I took, obviously, the wrong way. Wow, how cool is this? I would have never imagined this was here in a million years. Right out of the campground. Like, seriously. This is no joke. I am sort of just trying to take it easy on the bike. I'm not going to go fly through this. The suspension is totally not built for this. But it's doing pretty darn good. Ooh, coming back up will be a chore, but so far I don't see anything that scares me coming back up. But it definitely will be significant if I have to come back this way. And I would think eventually I'm going to run out of road, right? Jen wouldn't believe what I'm doing. That's funny. Okay, let's find a spot here. Let's go the hard way. Yeah, no problem. Whew. How cool if I could actually like make it to town. Like this way. Ooh, I flattened out there. I just don't have a lot of clearance on the bottom of this bike. But I do have a big skid plate, so that helps. That's for sure. Yeah, that one flattened out just a tiny bit. This is rocky. Have to hit those little bumps at an angle so I don't bottom out every single time. This is good. And did it end? I think that's the end there, fella. Alright, so it came to an end and now I'm trying to get back up and it's a little more difficult than I thought it was going to be. But not bad. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Come on, Charlotte. Oh, I hit the rut. Get out of that rut. Oh, you can do it. Come on, Billy. You big red ball. So, I have a feeling this is some kind of housing development in the very early stages. Doing okay. What happened? I just died. Okay. I really need gas. There we go. Oh, that wasn't even the hard part. This is the hard part. Okay. Don't wipe out. Oh. We are stuck. First gear, come on, baby. You can do it. Ah. Okay, that was the worst of it. From here back out, it's not that bad. Matter. A little harder on the motor going uphill, I guess. I'm trying to push it a little bit harder too, now that I know where I'm going. So let's try to not kill it. I think that's better. Well, there's no purple on the trees anywhere, so that's usually what you'd see for no trespassing. So I didn't see any no trespassing signs. So I feel like this was fine. Like I shouldn't hurt anybody's feelings too much for coming up here. But you never know with people. Someone's feelings could be greatly hurt. But we're gonna go in and out quickly. White knuckling it. I need to not hold on so tight. Look how red my hands are. Oh yeah, I don't want to kill the froggies. Ugh. Oh, I hit second gear on accident. Ain't never met a friend. Ain't never met a friend. Let's go over the rock instead of the easy way. Why not? Go the hard way. Where's this road? I gotta be close. I went a long ways down there. Ah, here we are. Sweet. Awesome. All right, now I have to go get gas. I've got very, very little fuel left. 40 miles. So I'm on a mission for the fuel. How do you feel about the truck for pulling the trailer versus the Outback?
Oh, well, it's a lot better. It's really nice having the F-150.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah, I'm surprised how roomy it is inside.
Mm-hmm.
And the trailer has been really nice.
Oh yeah.
Being able to throw the bike in, and then just even camping out of it's been just really awesome compared to having that little tiny teardrop.
Yeah.
We just got to keep the dogs on the floor.
Yeah. Still figuring out a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
About our setup, you know.
But that's a part of it. You have to go out and camp to get your setup.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
How
It
you
takes
need
a while to figure it out.
Yeah. But I think how the ad on your mattress, how you put the foam down or behind, I think that's really helped.
A little, but it doesn't last the whole time either.
What do you mean by last? Like it slides?
It slides. It still slides. Yeah,
so
that wasn't the solution.
So we have 4-inch memory foam on top of the little couch. Is that right?
Something like that.
But it's 4-inch memory foam, isn't it?
I don't think it's that tall.
It's not that tall? 2-inch memory foam?
I don't know.
So we have memory foam on top of the couch. We don't know how thick it is, apparently. And then she cut a little piece to go down behind the couch to just hopefully keep it from sliding off. And that's the problem is, during the night we keep finding that the memory foam wants to slide off. But I thought this time was much better than last.
Okay, well, it's good.
But you're right, it wasn't perfect yet.
No, we still got some more work to do.
We'll figure it out. I felt like the cooking situation was really good and easy.
Yeah, it's getting better.
And that having that DC powered fridge, that feels like a game changer.
Yeah, it's really nice. It's nice not having to have a cooler with ice and how things get all weird and gross. So yeah, this is definitely really nice.
I mean, how many times on trips did we have to go specific? We need to find ice. We got to find ice. It was
and the fact that we don't need to, we can run it off solar is huge too.
Yeah. So that's been a really nice change compared to like searching for ice all the time.
Oh yeah.
Okay, well I think that about wraps it up, our trip, and I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe so you can get more from us. And in the future, we'll have to get Jen to show her face on the camera.
Yeah. Get a different lens. Ha,
Get
ha.
a different lens. All right,
Okay.
see you guys.